and shares of Paramount Global this morning. Let's show you where they stand. They just reported the earnings, and you're looking at that stock now off about a little over 3%. This despite top and bottom line beats in its latest quarter. I want to get straight over to Julia Borston with an update on that and a look ahead at Warner Brothers Discovery earnings, which we're going to hear about tonight. Good morning.
Good morning to you, Andrew. Well, let's start off with Paramount's better than expected 19% revenue growth and his 3-cent per share beat on the bottom line. All that, of course, bolstered by the success of Top Gun Maverick. But the stock is down this morning. It's now down about 3%. And as we've seen with so many media companies, it is the streaming numbers that are moving the stock. And for Paramount, streaming subscriber growth slowed. Now, taking a look at the company's total direct-to-consumer subscriber base of 64 million, that is 1.5 million short of analyst consensus expectations, while the company lost more than expected on the direct-to-consumer division. Paramount Plus grew a hair less than analysts expected, and its free ad-supported Pluto TV service had fewer monthly active users than it anticipated. It had nearly 70 million, but that's compared to the more than 73 million that the street forecast. But CEO Bob Bakish saying, quote, in Q2, we grew total company revenue by 90% and took market share in streaming, in broadcast TV, in box office, and in upfront dollars, all while increasing our penetration of the most important growth market in media streaming. And Andrew, we will learn more from Bakish when the company hosts its earnings call. That's coming up in about 15 minutes. And then we'll see if some of these trends, some of these less fast than expected subscriber growth trends are echoed in the performance of Warner Discovery. That company reports this afternoon. We do expect to hear from CEO David Zaslav about his plans, about how he's going to be combining Discovery Plus and HBO Max. And then, of course, maybe he'll talk about some of those cost-cutting decisions like shelving Batgirl as well. Andrew, Joe?
The Batgirl situation, we've heard some reports that say it relates to an accounting piece, not just about the additional money they would have had to spend on the film or the quality of the film, but that there's because they bought the company and it was made beforehand, if they don't release it, then they can actually take it as a write-down. Is that right?
Well, look, I think there'll probably be some good questions about this on the call today, but I would just point out that David Zaslav has to cut about $3 billion in costs, and there could be multiple reasons to shelve a movie like this. Yes, they've spent $90 million on it, but it could cost another $200 million to market it. There could be reasons to take it as a write-down for tax, for accounting purposes. But David Zaslav is going to be faced with a lot of tough choices because this may be the right thing to do from an accounting standpoint, but he might be angering a lot of people in the creative community. I was hearing a lot about this yesterday in the Hollywood world here about how frustrated they would be to have such a big piece of content never see the light of day.